So today I'm going to be showing you guys my fidget toys. My sensory toys. So first, I have these two squishy balls. They both light up. I have this, I don't know what it's called, it's like a fidget. Some sort of fidget. I don't know what it is. I've got this spike ball. I've got this timer. I've got my tangles. I've got the Gidget widget. That's what it's called. I've got my fidget cube. I've got my twirly thing that you go back and forth with. I've got my two fidget balls. They're both the same. I've got my bike chains. And I've got my monkey noodles. These are all the monkey noodles I have. One moment. I have to put the toys back. Please and thank you. Next, I have these magnetic things I usually play with. I've got this magnetic timer. See how the sand sticks? I've got this squish ball. I've got this bottle that I shake around. I've got this thing. I got this thing for Christmas and I love it. I'll shut the light off and I'll show you guys how it lights up. Ready? Pretty cool, huh? So that's that. I've got this handprint thingy. I've got this vibrator. Ooh, that tickles. I've got this fidget ball here. You just kind of move the things back and forth. I've got this squish ball here with, I don't know what's in this, but yeah. Next, I've got my magnets. I got them from Merrimack Caverns. I've got this fidget here. It's like a Rubik's Cube. You have to try to solve it. I got two there. Look at that. I'll do that later. And I got these things. I made an art. They're little fidgets I made. I've got that blue one, the orange one, and I've got the green one. So yeah, that's that. Next, I have my fidget spinners. I've got this white fidget spinner. That's weird. The last time it was squeaky. I've got this fidget spinner. It's the same thing. This one's really squeaky. You can hear it. I've got this red ninja spinner. I've got the same fidget spinner, but it's blue. I've got this tie-dye fidget spinner. I just got this red fidget spinner. I got the Batman fidget spinner. I have this fidget spinner. This thing is really bouncy. I've got a gold fidget spinner. I've got this silver and gold fidget spinner. And I've got this gold and silver fidget spinner. Here's my blue camouflage one. I've got this black light up one. I'll turn off the lights so you guys can see. Pretty cool, huh? I've got this red fidget spinner, red light up fidget spinner. Yeah, I like, these are my two favorites. I've got this cross fidget spinner, mini cross fidget spinner. And I've got this mini pink one. So yeah, that's that. Next, I have my putty. So first I have this magic putty with heat. I have this glow-in-the-dark putty. I have this big bouncing putty. This is the one that bounces high. I have aroma putty. I have this magic putty. It's color changing. I have this magnetic putty. I have this electroid. Really sticky. I have two silly putties. I have these two Crazy Aaron ones. I have this big putty. I have the glow-in-the-dark putty, lab putty. And I have magic putty. It's laser. And I have this other magnetic putty. And these two Crazy Aaron ones. So yeah, oops. So that's it for my stress toys. So if you guys like this video, like it in the, sorry, my nephew's phone. Like it in the comments below. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And comment down below which fidget toy is your favorite. Bye.